Hi guys, welcome to Geek Hub. I have here a package from Amazon that arrived today itself. I have here the TP-Link Ethernet to USB adapter. This is the USB 3.0 adapter. Let's see. Let's open this package and see what's inside. There are many of these adapters on the internet, but I chose this one. This is from TP-Link. TP-Link is a branded company. This one cost me around 1500. You can get many adapters like in 300, 400 range. There are many of them, but I preferred this for the long run, as this one provides 3-year warranty. As you can see, this is a Gigabit Ethernet port, USB 3.0 port, plug and play. This has a nice to look packaging. Let me open this up for you. Let me show how it comes. So here is the some to-do guide, paperwork, warranty information, and here's the product itself. This product looks classy. It's a very gloss finish. Here TP-Link symbol is given and logo is given, and here indicator light is there. The USB port, USB 3.0 port, as you can see, this goes right here, and this is very compact. You can easy to carry, and design is very classy, you can see. And here some information is given, product information like serial number and all, and this is RJ45 port. I will do a check on how this works and the data speeds. It claims up to 1000 Mbps data transfer speed because of the USB 3.0 port. The looks are very nice, so it is a very perfect companion for your Macbooks and Ultrabooks. Let's check out how the product works. So this is the user manual guide. As you can see, I'm reading it to you. This is a plug-in play adapter, no driver installation required. You just plug and in, and the net will come. Here some information about LED status is given, like off means not connected, on means connected, flashing means that it is working, is transferring data. If any problem, contact TP-Link, and this is a warranty guide and all. I have here connected with this with my PC. Let me show you. It is off now. You can see that LED blinking light, and now you will see the LED blinking light. I have not connected it yet. See, this is not connected. As soon as I connect this, you can see the light blinking and the network 3 connected symbol also. It means it's just very fast. It works with a blink of an eye, and let me see how it works or not. Let me show you the product page. Link, TP-Link UE300. This is a trusted brand, you may say, TP-Link. That's why I bought it with 1500, so that it works for a longer period of time. And you can see this plug and play adapter, fastest USB 3.0, and portable, and suits your Ultrabook. Yes, it looks damn crazy. You can see plug and play without installing, and you can see here provides a high speed data transfer rate up to 1000 Mbps, and that's means if you provide here a high speed Ethernet line too, it will work with a breeze and would not provide you low speeds. So that's all folks. Hit the like button and click on subscribe. Thank you.